So now let's go to number 15. The problem is list all employees who have processed at least one transaction involving a product that was discounted. Now let's go to the SQL. So first thing to do is we have to select the employee's first name, and the employee's last name, the position, their position name, the status of the transaction, transaction status. Is then D dot the discount type at the cost as the discount amount from the employees. Then we have to inner join employee position details ED on the E dot employee ID equals EPD dot employee ID. Then inner join the transactions T on the EPD dot employee position details ID equals T dot employee position details ID, and then inner join the discounts on T dot discount ID equals P dot position ID, where P dot discount ID is not known. Then grouped by P dot employee ID, the position name, the transaction status, the discount type, and the discount cost. Let's try. So I forgot to put the positions. So this is equals to D dot discount ID, and then inner join the positions. Position P on the position ID was P dot position ID. Let's try Pagyapon. So let's try again. So here are the results of the employee's name, last name, their position, their transaction status, the discount type, and the discount amount.